Welcome everyone. My name is Usama and I hope that you guys are doing great, safe, and happy. In this video, we will learn how to express opinion using to, enough with adjectives. We're mainly going to be using them to express opinion about the city. Now, before we start, maybe you're asking the question, what does it mean to and enough? Well, to, it means more than what is needed, and enough means sufficient. Sufficient means not less and not more. Alright, now let's go ahead and see some examples. Let's start with to. The first example is, the streets are too crowded. Second example, the buildings are too old, or the building is too old. Last example, the weather is too hot. Notice that in all the examples we have too crowded, too old, too hot. So can you guess the rule? Yes, you got it. The rule is to plus adjective. Great. Now let's go to the other examples using enough. The first example is, the city is not clean enough. Second, the streets are not big enough. Third example, public transportation is not convenient enough. Notice again that we have not clean enough, not big enough, not convenient enough. Notice that we add the negation to the verb to be before the adjective to express enough in a negative concept. Now the rule again is not plus adjective plus enough. Awesome. Now I'd like you to go ahead and share with me some of your examples in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also, make sure you share the video with your friends on social media and stay tuned for more videos. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and wash your hands. Have a great day.